Hi, Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters in the Elmer team, and today sharing this beautiful new luxury senior living facility that I just was at. There is a brand new facility that's opening up in Torrance, and it's Cogir of South Bay. And I was able to do a tour just recently here. They're actually doing a ribbon cutting here in June and opening up all of the residences in here. So it's really where comfort meets luxury. The best thing about it is that you can move in there and do no cooking for yourself. They take care of all of your needs. There's a yoga room, there's games, activities, there's Spanish lessons. There is so much more to see. You really just have to kind of experience it for yourself. It kind of actually looks like a luxury hotel that you get to move into and make it your own. Now, it is a rental where many people, what they're doing is actually selling their primary residence because so many seniors have built up quite a equity reserve in their homes. They're able to sell that home and move into the 2 or 1 bedroom units and go live there. There's guest suites, so if you have visitors come, they can actually use it like a hotel and stay there with you as well. There is an excellent chef who prepares meals every day. It's 3 meals a day, plus you can have on-demand food anytime you want. So really, it is a stunning place. And if you'd like to get a tour, you can absolutely go through and do a private tour or check it out one of their group tours. The phone number to call them at is 213-808-4531. Again, 213-808-4531 or Cogir, and that's spelled Cogir of southbay.com. Hope you'll check it out, or feel free to forward this and share this with any of your friends or family members who may be thinking about moving into an independent living facility. They do also have an assisted living aspect of it as well, if that is needed. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 562-316-2915 or Melinda@theelmerteam.com. Thanks so much for watching.